Hi everyone, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A70 smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, let's open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar we gotta type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, just tap on this green install button that is located in front of the Opera app itself and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open the application. And here all that is left to do for us is to set up some basic first launch stuff. So here we'll tap on continue, choose whether we want the ad blocking to be enabled. In my case I'll enable it. The same goes for the checker blocking. Here I'll skip the setting Opera as default browser step and then tap on allow. And we are all set. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!